Viola tutorial C. Starting at measure 15, you have some tremolo. Starts off soft and crescendos. 2, 3. Then it changes keys, but throws in some accidentals for you. So right before 29, at 28, if you can't get to the pizzicato, we got to split it to where you split it with your stand partner. To one of you plays the first note in 28, and the other person just doesn't, so they can hit the pizzicato, and the other way around.